Hi, my name is Dallas. I'm the Area Manager of Aquatics here at Carowinds, and our team is currently working hard to make sure that Carolina Harbor is ready for you this summer. One of the first steps of our off-season cleanup and setup for the water park is to get the wave pools and all of our splash pools cleaned and ready to go when it comes to filling them with water. Once they're filled with water, we'll apply all of our chemicals and make sure that they're safe for our associates to enter them, to clean them with the vacuums, and deep clean them for our guests. After the pools are filled and the water's ready to go, we'll start setting up our chairs. You can see behind me here at Surf Club Harbor, they're sitting in their storage state, and very soon our lifeguards will be coming through the water park to set them up for you to have a relaxing summer. The last thing that we'll do for our pools and our water park is a zone validation. The zone validation makes sure your lifeguards can see everything in the water without interference to make sure you're as safe as possible. And while we're working on our wave pools, we're also working on our slides. Currently, our maintenance team is working on any inspections and repairs that are needed for this next season. Once our maintenance teams are done with their repairs and inspections, the state health departments of North and South Carolina will come out to the park and take a look at our water chemical levels, our signage, and make sure that there's no other repairs that need to be made. Commissioning involves riding the slides for a determined amount of times until we've been able to ensure that the attraction is safe and ready to ride. Outside of our normal off-season routines, this year we have 2 construction projects for you. You can see behind me the concrete may look a little bit different. We've started a project called the Cool Deck. What this does is it makes sure that your feet stay cool in the hot Carolina sun. The Cool Deck project is located in 3 high-traffic areas to make sure that you have the best visit possible. Our second construction project this off-season is up here at the front of the water park across from Boogie Board Racer. You can see it behind me, a brand new beach bar called 21 and Colder will be opening this season with frozen drinks for all of our guests 21 and older. But don't worry, on the other side is still the Coke refresh station you've come to know and love. With all the work going on, there's a lot to be excited about in Carolina Harbor in 2024. We'll see you on Saturday, May 25th.